Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
All right, so when you come in, there's this small hallway here, and then you have the kitchen to the right. This is a really nice size kitchen, actually. You get the oven, you get the microwave, you get a nice size fridge and freezer here. We got some of our stuff in here already. And it comes equipped with dishes and utensils, pots, pans, coffee maker, anything that you might need. This is the living space, so they have a nice table here, a couch, and a TV. It's a nice size TV, actually. Then they have a patio here. It's dark, but you can see the view is the parking lot, and they have 2 chairs. Let me see if I can open this for you. So this is the patio, and the patio is enclosed, which is really good. And a couple seats to sit out here. Now there are 2 bedrooms in this one, but I think they all vary in terms of how many bedrooms they have. There's a sink here, and then a bathroom here. They have this king size bed, a TV, and 2 closets in here. Now if you come to the other side, you get a full-size mirror. There is a washer and dryer, and they also give you some detergent. That is helpful. There is another bathroom here. Let's turn the light on so you can get a better look. And then here is the second bedroom. So this would be good if you are traveling with children or just multiple adults. There's 2 twin-size beds here. There's another TV. And you get 2 additional closets, which is really nice here. You can hang your items up. And then we get a view of the volleyball court. And I'll show you all that in the morning. I don't want to put the camera up to the window. There's somebody playing outside, and I didn't want to look like a creep. All right.
Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.